Hi, I am Phoebe, and today I'm going to teach you how to use the words how much and how many. Much and many are both adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So when a noun is countable, you use the adjective many. For instance, children. When there are 3 children in a room, you can count the 3 children. So you will use many. How many children are in the room? There are 3 children in the room. Another example. There are 10 apples in a tree. The apples are countable. 1 apple, 2 apples. So you will use many. How many apples are in the tree? There are 10 apples in the tree. Now, when a noun is not countable, you use the adjective much. For instance, water. The noun water does not have a plural form. 1 water, 2 waters, that does not exist. So you will ask, how much water is in your glass? There is not much water in my glass. Is money. The noun money does not have a plural form. 1 money, 2 monies does not exist. So you will have to ask, how much money did you earn today? I did not earn much money today. Now I have 1 euro coin. Now the noun euro does have a plural form, because here I have another euro. So that's 2 euros. Since euros are countable, the correct way to ask the question would be, how many euros have you got? I have 2 euros. One more example. Time. 1 time, 2 times, that does not exist. The noun time does not have a plural form. It is not countable. So you will have to use how much time. But if you were talking about minutes, then you would have to use many, because you can count minutes. You have 1 minute, 2 minutes. So you would have to say, how many minutes do we have? Now there is another word for how much or how many. This will work for both countable and uncountable nouns, and it is a lot of. I will give you a lot of examples. I don't have a lot of water in my glass. I have a lot of money in the bank. I know a lot of children. I have been to a lot of places. I haven't seen a lot of movies this week. The house has a lot of rooms. So remember, use how many for countable nouns. For example, how many cats do you have? Use how much for uncountable nouns. For instance, how much time do we have? And don't forget, a lot of you can use for both.